What's up, my media friends? I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. In this tutorial, I want to show you all how to take your playlists and have them stream on your TV, your tablet, or any other device you'd like. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is we have to hit this Manage TV tab up here. What this does is it simply shifts the playlist to the left-hand column, and all the devices that are activated show up in the right hand. So if you have a TV, it'll show up as this TV icon right here. If you have a tablet, it'll look similar, but it'll have a tab logo in the middle. Now, if your device is showing up as pink, that just means that it's disconnected from the Wi-Fi or either turned off and it has to be reconnected or turned on. If it shows up as blue, that means it's connected and it's ready to be used. So this one is showing up as blue, this one's pink. Now I can also change the names of these devices by hitting this pencil and paper icon right here. And I can label this one Lobby TV, this one Exam Room 1, Exam Room 2. Pretty much it's based on your personal preference. However, we'll just keep it as is right now. So what I want to do is I want to take playlist number 1 and I want to drop it into the Lobby TV. And all I have to do is simply select it and then drag and drop. And then I get two options. I can either play it around the clock or schedule it. I'll play this one around the clock and I'll go ahead and I'll schedule playlist number 2. We'll drag and drop that into the same TV, but we'll schedule it. So this allows me to choose a frame of time, either by date or by regular hours. So we'll have this play until the end of November. Everything else looks good. We'll hit save. So this is very useful for sort of monthly promotions or for curating playlists in advance. Now what this does is it's going to display playlist number 1 and then it's automatically going to hop over to playlist 2 and then it's going to go back to 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, and so on and so forth. However, once November 30th hits, this playlist will automatically fall off from the Lobby TV and it'll just continue to stream and loop playlist number 1. So it's relatively simple, it's relatively straightforward. Pretty much everything on this dashboard is just a simple drag and drop, same as with adding playlists to the Lobby TV. So that pretty much covers the dashboard tutorials. We are coming out with new features and we are updating some of the current features that we have. So keep your eye peeled for some new tutorials that might be popping up. But other than that, that pretty much covers it, ladies and gentlemen. And as always, I'd like to thank you all for watching.